Did you know today is National Taco Day? Instead of having that same old boring taco you always have, try something new. Try a raw vegan taco instead.
This is actually Steve Harvey's favorite meal on the Dherbs Full Body Cleanse. So he actually loved the raw tacos.
And try this right now.
And then you just curl it up like this. And
There you go. It's surprising. It's so good.
You know what's funny is that it really all is about texture and flavor. You have the texture of taco meat right here.
Right.
You have the flavor of taco meat right here. So you don't know that you're eating something different.
And they're easy to make. Go to dherbs.com and type raw tacos in the search box. Enjoy your raw vegan tacos. And they're full body cleanse approved too. Dherbs.com.